Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Steve Rosenberg, Senior Vice President and General Manager, Oracle Health Sciences.
Every time I stand up here, I'm amazed by how crowded this room gets. So this is Oracle's 11th year sponsoring Prix Galien. And for me personally, this is maybe the 6th time I've stood up at this podium at this event. And it's every time I'm always amazed by what is accomplished in this room. We're all patients. I always tell people, please hurry, I'm getting old. I can't promise that I'm going to live as long as Roy, although I would sign up for that this second. But I think, the advances that we make are unbelievable. I also think that the time in this, and we talked about this in the great panel that I was on today, that technology needs to catch up, that it needs to get to the next generation to enable the science and the movement and the changes that are going on in clinical research. And so that's extremely important. I also want to, where did Richard go? IQVIA has been a long-time partner of us, and Oracle, and before that Phase Forward, and before IQVIA Quintiles, and we've worked together a lot, providing technology for those guys. So it's been a great relationship over the years. So rather than sit here and talk about Oracle, I want to make a plea. The number one problem that this industry has faced since I started in it is recruitment, and I believe that that's still the problem. People are trying to solve that technologically. They're building communities. They're looking at healthcare data to find patients. I personally think the problem is we don't recognize the patients that are giving the sacrifice that they do by sacrificing their bodies to further research. We all fly around a lot. I go to the airports, and the first person they board are active military service. Why aren't we boarding clinical trial participants? Why doesn't this society recognize the patients that are sacrificing their body and treat them like the heroes they are? The people in this room can change that. There's a lot of ads on TV in this country about drugs. My 10-year-old daughter loves to play this game called Drug Commercial, where we make up side effects. Your eyes may fall out, your feet may fall out, all kinds of stuff. Why aren't we doing ads making them heroes, thanking the participants in clinical trials for sacrificing their body? It's not for everyone, but people are willing to do this service. So I encourage you to think about how we make these people more heroes in our society than they are today. And so for my 5 minutes, that's my plea. Thank you very much.